Imagine if you could put your affiliate offers in front of an avalanche of traffic without spending a dime. I mean, thousands and thousands of visitors watching and clicking your links every single day. How would you feel if that happened? Would you finally be able to succeed financially? As someone who spent years working in online marketing, I understand the value of traffic. Traffic is the life of every online business. You can't even run a business if you can't get visitors consistently. I don't mean just enough traffic. I'm talking about thousands of buyers day in and day out 24/7. Visitors who keep coming without advertising or when you're taking a break. If you aren't in that position yet, you have to watch this. Introducing MemeBucks, the world's first app that generates a snowball traffic effect. That's right. With just a few clicks, you can create an infinite loop of traffic that keeps growing, like a snowball rolling down the hill. Let me explain. MemeBucks leverages the power of memes to generate a large supply of traffic quickly and easily, with an incredible twist. Just ask yourself, what's the most shared content on the internet? Not educational videos, nor important financial news. It's memes. Facebook says that 1 million memes are shared on its social network daily. That's only Facebook. Think about how many that get shared on Instagram, Reddit, Twitter, and other social platforms. You can generate hundreds, thousands, even millions of visitors that multiply every single day with MemeBucks. It takes only 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Get MemeBucks fast at the lowest price, because it is constantly increasing. Then, with just a few clicks, you build your meme generator site, fully white-labeled, where you can add your brand and your own domain if you want. Among the many reasons why this site is unique is that not only you, but also your visitors will be able to create funny memes in minutes for free. They will also be able to share them. The design looks amazing and is filled with affiliate offers all over, strategically placed to ensure every visitor can easily see them instantly. Step number 2. Post some memes from your new site on social media. People will click on the memes and be redirected to your website. Your first few visitors arrive. Many of them may share the memes they clicked, generating traffic to your site. But wait, step number 3. It doesn't stop there. As well, some will create their own memes and share them because it's fun, very easy, and every visitor is invited to do it for free without asking for a name or email. You provide a very friendly service. But we don't expect every visitor to make and share a meme. Some of them will actually do it, and that's what we need. These people will be the engine to generate traffic for you without any effort at all. The memes they share are bringing their friends or followers to your website. Thus, you now have a number of meme creators on your site multiplied by all their friends they bring, resulting in more and more extra visitors, resulting in traffic that continues to grow automatically over time. All of these together is what we call the traffic snowball effect. Memes from your site are spreading all over the internet and increasing traffic. I'm sure you're able to earn a lot with MemeBucks. It is all done for you. You don't need anything to get started. Now for the big question. How much does this software cost? The normal cost is $197 a month. Well, lucky for you, you don't have to pay anywhere near that. You won't pay $197 a month. You won't pay $97 a month, not $47 a month. You won't even pay monthly at all. Today, you can get started with MemeBucks for a tiny one-time price. That's the good news. The bad news is, you have a very limited time to take action on this offer. If you pass up on this offer today and come back later, you could be paying $197 a month. So what do you say? Will you pass up on this offer and continue to struggle with generating traffic to your website? Or will you be making a consistent stream of income by running MemeBucks spending less than 10 minutes per day? It's risk-free to give it a try. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you literally have nothing to lose. This really works. Don't miss it. To take advantage of our low-cost offer, simply click the button below. Thank you.